Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's Christine with gaugegirltraining, an online meal planning and coaching service. In today's video, we are going to be doing an intense bonus glute workout. We are going to be doing this HIIT style, high intensity intervals. So this is going to really allow you to activate the glutes, the quads, the hamstrings, and really isolate those lower body muscles, really to shape up the lower half. So this is a great workout to do as a bonus once a week. If you really want to focus on shaping your glutes, you can do this a maximum of 3 times a week. So let's get started. Power sprint. 30 seconds on, you guys. Go hard, pump the arms. Keep your energy up. Make every second count. Pump, 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 pump. You got it, you got it. Keep going. 10, 5, and stop. So now we have a 30-second recovery window, so catch your breath. The nice thing about HIIT is you have a very high intensity interval, but you have that balance encountered by the recovery interval. During this time, catch your breath. Shake those legs out. Keep it loose, keep it loose. All right, let's get ready for the next one. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. We're doing a sumo squat hold with an arm swing. So get in the sumo squat position and you're gonna swing your arms. So up, up. Now make sure you keep the towel in tension. Be pulling it out with each arm as hard as you possibly can. Keep your core engaged. Back up, shoulders back. Doing good. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Woo! All right, now recover, shake it out, keep it loose. Make sure those glutes don't tighten up on you, so just march in place a little bit. Do whatever you need to do to shake it up, catch your breath. You should definitely be feeling it, so keep it loose, keep it moving. As you recover, don't just resist the urge to just stop. You definitely wanna just move around, stretch it out. Keep it nice and loose. Good job. Okay, next move, overhead narrow squats with a towel. You're going to keep your feet together, arms up. Let's go. So as you go down, you squeeze up and down. Now, at the top, when the legs are down, you squeeze your butt in as hard as you can. When you raise the arms, make sure that you are pulling the towel apart as hard as you can with each arm. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now, recover, 30-second recovery, guys. Good job. Keep it nice and loose. You should definitely have felt that. You feel it in your arms, your shoulders, but primarily the glutes. So keep it loose, recover, and catch your breath. The point here is to return your heart to a lower heart rate. All right, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Speed marching glute bridge, get into the glute bridge position and march. 1, march it out. March, march. Keep your hips aligned with your shoulders. Really lift those glutes up. Engage, squeeze. Doing good, guys. Less than 10. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bring it down, recover. You have 30 seconds to recover. I like to do some twists here, maybe. Stretch out those glutes to the side. Stretch it. And you're gonna work your way back up to the floor. Nice and easy, nice and easy. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, so we're gonna do a sumo squat into a wide toe squat. The way this movement is going to work, you're gonna go down into a sumo squat and then tiptoes, heels off the ground, toe squat. Ready? Sumo, toe, sumo, toe, sumo, toe, sumo, toe. Now if you lost your balance like I just did, just look at one spot on the floor, sumo, toe, sumo, and toe. Good job, you guys, 30 seconds, good job. Shake it out, shake it out. Now you should be feeling, while you do the toe squat piece, you should be feeling much more activation in the glutes, your quads, your glutes and hammy should be feeling it, but should really be activated in the glutes right now. Shake it off, shake it off. Keep things loose. And we're gonna go in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, drop squat to toe touch in and out. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2. Good job. When you do these, you wanna make sure you're touching the floor, extending the arm up, reaching way down, powering through this move. Good job. Keep your energy up, smile. 3, 2, and 1. Woo! All right, good job, good job. Keep it loose, have a nice recover. Ooh, make sure you catch your breath. If you are having a hard time breathing and you are hyperventilating right now, arms behind the head. That opens up the lungs. And breathe. Again, if you are tired, do not do this. Stand up, shoulders back, open the lungs. 3, 2, and 1. All right, we're gonna do good morning into curtsy lunges. Ready? Let's go. Good morning, pull it back. Curtsy, curtsy. Good morning, curtsy, curtsy. The important part is, when you're doing this good morning, you want to pull with tension in the towel in the opposite direction. Curtsy, curtsy, good morning, curtsy, and curtsy. Good job, you guys. Now to the little recovery. You want to make sure though, when you're doing those good mornings, you're coming down, up. You want to be pulling and adding an additional level of resistance, but catch your breath. If you're more advanced, you don't have to do 30 seconds. You can do 45, 50, you can do the whole minute. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, butt kick variation. Let's go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. What you want to make sure you're doing is that you are kicking your butt. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, and 1. Good job, you guys. Recover, catch your breath. Again, breathe in through the nose, out through the mouth. You really want to control your breathing, control your heart rate. Any of you feel like you are hyperventilating, stop, breathe, drink some water. You can always pause this video. We're not going anywhere, so breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, we are going to do a squat and a squat jump. Ready? Let's go. Squat, squat, jump. Squat, squat, jump. Squat, squat, jump. Squat, squat, jump. Power through this move. Squat, jump, squat, squat, jump. If this is too hard, you can just stay here. You do not have to do the jump. You can go at your own pace. Stay here, nice and easy. If it's too hard. 3, 2, and 1. Good job. Recover. Catch your breath. Shake it out. Those legs are feeling tight. Move them. Do some knees. Shake it out. Get some range of motion. Doing a good job, you guys. Enjoy this recovery. You earned it, but we're not done yet. Let's go. Let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, we are doing prisoner pogo jumps. Prisoner behind the head, let's go. Jump. Like you're on a pogo stick. Now make sure you're smiling. Make sure you're bouncing. Make sure you're getting that heart rate elevated so we can ignite that stubborn body fat. Keep it up. Doing good. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good job, you guys. Now don't forget to pause, take some water. So important to stay hydrated during these types of workouts, so don't be afraid. You have to pause, stop, get a drink, but catch your breath, recover, and 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now this was a circuit of 10 exercises. Repeat this circuit 2-3 times minimum. If you are an endomorph client, do it a minimum of 3 times minimum, not 1, not 2, but 3. Everybody else, do whatever you need to do, dialed into your specific needs. So thank you guys so much for watching. Give the video a thumbs up. If you make it more than 4 rounds, comment below and let us know so we can give you a high five. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.